So maybe you're doing some research online and you're trying to figure out if this term that they call affiliate marketing is a scam or is it really a legitimate way to make money online. So in this video today, I want to actually break down 5 different things that you need to look out for when you're actually trying to find an affiliate marketing business, a network, a product, a service to sell so that you don't get scammed and you don't lose your hard-earned money. Let's get to it. So what's up, guys? My name is John McNeil, and I've actually been around affiliate marketing and internet marketing businesses for a little while now. And I want to give you guys a few tips that you want to look out for when you're actually looking for an affiliate marketing network or product or service or some sort of business opportunity online that you're going to jump into in order to make some money so you don't get scammed, because I don't want you guys to lose your money. And I've been scammed before. I've lost thousands of dollars before buying different products, buying different services, being scammed. It almost happens to everybody. So I wanted to create this video so that hopefully somebody will see it and you're not scammed as well. So it's going to jump into these 5 things that you need to look out for in terms of an affiliate marketing scam. Number 1 is huge earning promises. Now, let me tell you, if anybody tells you online that you're going to be able to join their affiliate marketing company, their business, their opportunity, and that you're going to be making $10,000 in the next 24 hours, this is most definitely probably a scam. Any affiliate marketing business, any online business, any business in general that you're going to make money from, you're going to have to put in some work, you're going to have to put in some time. And just the thought of actually making $10,000 in the next 24 hours just doesn't logically make any sense, because if you're having an online business, you're probably going to need a website and other different tools that is going to take you more than a couple days to get online and get everything set up before you can actually even sell a product or a service. So if anybody is telling you or claiming that you're going to be able to make these huge amount of money in a short period of time, beware of that, because it's probably not very ethical and they're probably taking a lot of shortcuts and they're probably not actually giving you all the information up front, and they're probably actually just trying to use different marketing tactics to get you to buy in by drawing in on your emotion of making a lot of money very quickly. And now don't get me wrong, everybody wants to make money quickly online because that's what we see out there. But the truth of the matter is making money as an affiliate marketing does take work. Sometimes it takes years for somebody to actually make an actual full-time income with this business. So you do want to stay clear of anybody that's promising you these humongous income claims. So the second affiliate marketing scam tip that I want to give you guys, and this might sound self-explanatory, but I'm going to say it anyways. Any type of affiliate network or business opportunity that you get involved with and there's no product or no service involved, that is more than likely a scam. If anybody's going to spend their hard-earned money on a product or a service, they need to get back a real value in return. So if I want to spend my money on learning something or purchasing something, I want to be able to get some value back from that. So if there is no product that you can't figure out, if you can't figure out what the actual service is, if it's difficult for you to figure out like what am I actually selling, then it's more than likely a red flag and I would actually stay away from it. So tip number 3 is free participation. Most affiliate marketing networks are going to be free in order to sign up. Now there's tons of affiliate marketing networks that are out there that they'll allow you to sign up for absolutely free, and you can actually get your affiliate links and you can start promoting their products and services, and there's no charge to do this. And this is why affiliate marketing is such a good business model. Now there are some affiliate marketing businesses that you do have to pay into in order to promote their products and their services, i.e. something like a Mary Kay that a lot of people do. Like Mary Kay is a business opportunity that a lot of people promote online, and you do have to pay in order to get involved with Mary Kay. But we know that Mary Kay isn't a scam. They sell legitimate products and services. So if you are going to pay to get into a business opportunity or an affiliate marketing product or company, you just want to make sure that A, they're not giving huge income claims like we talked about about in the beginning of the video, as well as you want to make sure that they have legitimate products and services that are actually going to give value, that are valuable to people that are going to spend their money purchasing those products and services. And this brings me to my fourth point is you need to actually make sure that the company has a great track record. So a lot of these companies that are fly by night, you probably know a number of these companies that you've seen pop up that promise you the world, huge income claims, all this money that you can make in a short period of time. A lot of these companies are gone. They're here today, they're gone tomorrow. A lot of them last a couple months, some last 6 months, some last a year, and then they're gone. So you definitely want to look at the track record of these affiliate marketing networks, of these affiliate marketing companies before you actually decide to get involved with them, because you don't want to get involved with the company that is just here today and going tomorrow, because obviously that's going to hurt your income, but it's also can hurt your credibility if you're out promoting something that is kind of sleazy and scammy. So look at the affiliate products that you are planning to promote or you want to promote and figure out, has this program been around for a while? Has this product or this service been around for a while? Have they been in the business for over 5 years and they're still going strong? Now, keep in mind, everybody's not going to be happy with every affiliate marketing company, every product, every service that is sold online. Of course, there's always going to be people that have bad experiences with every single product that are out there. It doesn't matter how good the product is. It could be the best product, the best service in sliced bread. Somebody's going to have a bad experience. And of course, you're always going to have trollers online. So it's not that you want to pay attention to all of that noise. What you want to do is do your own due diligence and make sure that the product is solid, the service is solid, the company itself, the owners, how long have they been around, to really determine if this is something that you want to get involved with. And the number 5 tip that you want to be concerned about when you're venturing out to get into an affiliate marketing program or to promote anything online is you want to make sure that that product, the service, the company has really good customer support. Because if you're doing a business online, if you're selling as an affiliate, especially, you're selling other people's products. So you want to make sure that they have real support, like real support that people can email into and actually get a response back within 24 hours. It's great that they can even maybe sometimes pick up the phone and call in during certain business hours, that they can actually talk to somebody if they're having problems with the product, the service, they have questions, they need additional support, technical support, whatever it may be, you need help. And if somebody is emailing in to some email and they never get a response back and customer support isn't there, again, you're going to be losing business because people aren't going to trust you. So you're going to be losing future potential income, as well as you're going to be losing credibility. So again, guys, if we kind of break these 5 things down, really the things that you want to stay away from is those huge income potential claims that people are telling you you're going to make $10,000 in the next 10 hours or something crazy like that. You also want to make sure that you have a legitimate product and service. You want to make sure that most of these affiliate marketing products and programs are free. So that's really a good thing for you. And again, if it is a paid marketing program that you're going to join, just make sure that the products are good, the services are solid, and that the company itself has a long track record. So again, all of the businesses that you want to get involved with, they should have a long, legitimate track record, at least a few years of track record before you actually get involved with promoting the actual opportunity. And last, make sure that you have good customer support, because if you have good customer support, you're going to have a lot of happy customers and people getting what they need. So that's just going to help you build your business more in the future. So I hope these 5 tips help you stay away from any of the affiliate marketing scams that may be out there. Again, I've been scammed before in the past, so I know how it feels to pay your hard-earned money to something and you don't get anything in return. So make sure you take these 5 tips that I gave you today as a guide so that you don't actually get scammed. So if you have any other questions or comments about affiliate marketing scams in general, go ahead and leave that information in the comment section below and we'll chop it up down there in the comments and we'll talk about it. And if you guys are looking at affiliate marketing now and you're still a beginner, you're not really sure how affiliate marketing all works, I'll have a link in the descriptions to a free affiliate marketing course that you can get access to that'll actually kind of walk you through step by step on how to become an affiliate marketer and sell products as an affiliate and make money. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you on the next one.